Hello children, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to your maths class. Hope you all are good and doing well. So let's continue the first chapter here. So the topic is rounding of numbers. Rounding of numbers. Children, rounding of numbers is nothing but we round off the numbers to estimate the figures or amounts. We just round off the numbers to estimate the figures or amounts. Suppose some children are going to picnic, so it is about 200 children, but the actual number of children could be above or below 200, that is nothing but 186 or 208. See, there are about 200 children went for a picnic, but the actual number of children could be above 200 or above 200, that is 186 or 208. This will be above 200 or less than 200 or above 200. It is nothing but we just put the nearest zeros, that is tens number or the hundreds number. So rounding of 10 here. Suppose I have rupees 12. So it is about 10 rupees. Why? Because it is nearest to 10. This 12 is nearest to 10. But if I have suppose 18 rupees, so it is nearest to 20. Why? It is nearest to 20. Why? Because on the ones place we have 8. If the numbers on the ones place, if we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, we continue to the same tens. Okay, we continue to the same tens. But if the numbers on the ones place have 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, we go with the next tens. See, we were having 12 here, so we have written 10. That means 110 was here, no? So we have written 110 only. But here there were 18 rupees, so we have written nearest 20, because on the ones place we are having 10. It was 110, but we have taken next 10. So rounding of 100. Now in rounding of hundreds, children, we check the place. We check the place in the tens place. So let's do the tens first here. What is the nearest number to the 60? It is 70. We have taken next 10, as it is 8 on ones, so we have taken next 70. And next we have 152. Now we are doing hundreds. We are rounding off hundreds. Now children, while doing hundreds, see, we have to write 150. It is nearer to 150, no? So we cannot write here 160. Now 366. Here we have 6. That means it is nearer to 370. So we are changing tens here. Now 1293. The numbers are here 2 digit, 3 digit and 4 digit, but we are rounding off tens number only. So it is nearer to 1290, because we have 3 on the ones place. Okay. Now if the digit in the ones place, as I told here, if the digit in the ones place is less than 5, do not change the tens. Okay, but put 0 put 0 on the ones place. See, we have done here. If the digit in the ones place is less than 5, here 2 is less than 5. So do not change the tens digit. So don't change this tens digit, but put 0 on the ones place. So we have put 0 on the ones place. If the digit in ones place is greater than 5, if the digit in ones place is greater than 5, then add 1 to the digit in the tens place. Then add 1 to the digit in the tens place and put 0 in ones place. So we have done here. Next, rounding off to the nearest 100. So children, the number here given as 678. So 678 is nearer to 0. How? As the digit in the tens place is greater than 5. As the digit in the tens place is greater than 5. So let's round off to the next 100. So we have to change this 6 as 7. Next, 819. Now children, this tens place is less than 5. So we should write here 800. If it is less than, we go to the same 100. If it is greater than, we go to the next 100. Next we have 2353. So as the digit in the tens place is 5, so let us round off to the next 100, that is 2400. Next, 1748. So it is nearer to the 1700. How? Because on the tens place we have 4 and it is less than 5. So let's do rounding off to the nearest 1000. So children, here 2913. Now it is nearer to 3000. How? On the hundreds place we have 9. So next 3215. So it is nearer to 3000. Why? Because on the hundreds place we have 2, which is less than 5. Next 4621. It is nearer to 5000 because on the hundreds place we have 6. Next 7468. It is nearer to 7000 because on the hundreds place we have 4. So children, be perfect in concept of rounding of nearest 10, nearest 100 and nearest 1000. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.